I'm not even in yet, so this might not even be a problem. Mom, I'm sorry, okay? I shouldn't have gone behind your back. I'm sorry. It's not like I'm definitely going to New York. Mom. Mom! Aren't you even just like a little proud that I'm this close to getting in? Just a little? I mean, I know it was probably easier with 9/11 and less people applying and all that with terrorism, you know? But still though. Still, I did that! I'm sorry. I know I can lie and not be a good person, but just please, Mom. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I appreciate everything that you've done for me. I'm ungrateful and I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry that I wanted more. I'm sorry. Please, Mom, just talk to me, please. Talk to me! Mom! Please, just talk to me. Say something. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know I'm bad, okay? I'm a little shit, okay? I'm sorry. Just please say something. Mom. Please. Mom! Just say something, please. Just talk to me, Mom. Are you gonna turn around?